Hi, I'm Dr. Patty Ford, and today I'm going to talk about body image and why it is so hard to say, okay, I'm going to work on my body image today. It's almost impossible to squeeze a body image muscle. I don't think we have one. So body image is related to perception. It's related to the story that you hold about yourself, how you take up space, how you feel about your body, how you feel in your body. And there's so many different ways you can, heal it. And it might be consistently healing. It might not ever be at this perfect 10 out of 10 or whatever you're using to rate how you feel about your body. And if you struggle with body image, sometimes we just feel really uncomfortable in the skin that we're in, or we feel uncomfortable in different spaces and how our body shows up. And so I want to give you, a sense of kindness that if you are uncomfortable in the body that you've been given, sometimes it's really easy to just want to change it, or to engage in things that really hurt yourself to feel comfortable in it. And there's no shame if that's what you've been doing, because that's a lot of what our society says is acceptable to do. A lot of hustle culture, the no pain, no gain, all of these sayings really, really subscribe to, if you don't want it bad enough, then you must not want it. When in reality, your body is exactly how it's meant to be right now. And that can feel really confusing if you're suffering from any sort of chronic illness, or you're just not where you want your body to be. So acceptance doesn't mean stagnation. It doesn't mean stuck. It means kindness and presence and accepting reality. And sometimes reality is really, really painful. And so if you've dealt with reality by fantasizing or catastrophizing and by staying out of the present, it's really, really hard to work on acceptance. So we don't start there. With body image, it's really coming to terms with toleration and sensing yourself and having a space to talk about what it's like to be in the body that you're in, without shame, without judgment, without evaluation, without goals. Sometimes goals are unmet expectations measured. And so it's learning how to accept reality, current reality as is, with kindness and compassion. If this is helpful for you, like and subscribe and follow along. Thanks. Have a good day.